Welcome to RustBuster's installation guide
for the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift the truck's bed to provide more room to work. Uninstall and remove the leaf spring and shackle. Hold the new frame section up to the frame rail and mark off its coverage. Cut approximately 1 inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail, including the factory leaf spring mount. Step 3. This frame section includes perforations for the front and center bed mounts as well as the rear fuel tank crossmember. If you are keeping any of these parts, remove the corresponding perforations. If you are replacing these parts, remove the factory parts now. Step 4. Slide the frame section onto the frame rail using the holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our RustBuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, using the included hardware, reinstall your truck's leaf spring shackle and leaf spring, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.